pipe curves around, tailpipe's right there. 12-gallon gas tank, Kawasaki ATV fuel pump, real quiet. It's got a little pulse to it. The original battery from the generator, I may upgrade to like a lawnmower battery. Starts, runs perfect. You can see it. It don't hardly shake like it vibrates at all. It's almost perfect. All right, there's what we got so far. This whole side is sanded. All the little black spots where I burnt through. I put just some Rust-Oleum on it for now until I can get some high build built up. All those little black pieces over here are the strips that go there. All right, there's how we're going to tighten it. I'm going to put straps, wrap it around the window up here, pull it tight, and then go from the back to the front. And as we get to these, we pull these out one at a time. This is slick as glass. And then from that white stripe, which you can't tell because there's black duct tape, but you can see it down there. That'll be black down to that rub rail. This will be blue. These will be a different color. These toolboxes will be a different color, especially these, because these are going to be my generator. My generator will be there. My battery will be there. I don't know what I'm going to do with the fuse panel. I'm going to do something with it. Something different. I got 2 aluminum wheels for the front. You know, we got the back mostly done. I wanted to go to the junkyard tomorrow and see about a ladder for the back and a couple other small trinkets. But that's out of the question for right now, so we'll plug on.